Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's that time of the month. I've gotten my Ipsy subscription for October, and I wanted to share with y'all what I got. Since a lot of these items of course are a surprise, I thought you might be interested in seeing what I got like I do every month. For those of you who might be new here, I'm a full-time working mom. I have 4 young children, and I love putting out videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my recent reselling journey on Poshmark as well. So if those things sound interesting to you, please consider checking out my other videos and subscribing to my channel, linked down below as well. So again, for today, I wanted to share with you what I got in my Ipsy bag. And as I mentioned in my previous video, Ipsy now is rolling out a new service where, number one, of course, they charge a little more, I believe. But secondly, you have more options in terms of customization of your bag. As I've said before, I really don't customize stuff in my bag. I did fill out that initial survey when I signed up for Ipsy a few years ago. But besides that, I just don't really leave any feedback. I don't really get on there, and I'm not very interactive in terms of letting them know what I like and what I don't like. So month to month, it's kind of a surprise, I'll say. But now we're able to customize things a little bit more. So for this month of October, I was able to go on there ahead of time and pick out one option that I wanted to include in my bag. So you'll see what I picked out in a minute. So that is not a surprise today, but the other items will be a surprise for me. And I haven't looked at the email flyers or anything else, so I don't know what's actually inside my particular bag. This month, however, I did unfortunately get a sneak peek when I was going through YouTube and saw the really adorable cosmetic bag. I believe it's a Betty Boop cosmetic bag, which I'll share with you. So that, of course, was a spoiler because that was all over the internet. But besides knowing what the bag looks like and that one product I customized, the remaining 4 products are really a mystery or surprise. So I'm going to just unveil them for you here today. I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the bag, and as you'll see here, the bag now looks a little different. So it's branded Ipsy on here, and it says Discover Yourself Ipsy in this really beautiful light pink color. And as you know, the previous Ipsy bags was that very vibrant metallic fuchsia pink. So this is kind of a nice change, and it's branded as well, which is a new thing. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you all. Okay, yes, and as I saw on YouTube, this is the bag. Oh, but it's cuter than I thought. It kind of has a little bit of an iridescence on the front. It's really cute Betty Boop, as you can see here. And I didn't realize the back was going to be sequins. That's really cool. It's these black kind of matte sequins. Really, really pretty. I didn't realize that was going to be on the back, so love it. And then look at the zipper pull. It has a little bee with hearts on it. So you can see that there. So pretty cute. Really like the new look of the bag for this month. And I'm just gonna go ahead and jump on in. And as usual these days, there's this little card in here, and let's see. Yes, they do go over some of the products I'm receiving in this bag, which I'm not gonna look at too much because it's gonna spoil things, but I will reference this as we go throughout this video to kind of tell you a little bit more about the products I'm getting. So I'm pulling out the first thing here, and it looks like this is Kboss NYC lip treatment in raspberry. Apparently it's a luxe lippy, and it has the benefits of lip balm and a shiny finish like a gloss. And I just apply like a typical lipstick or lip gloss. So I haven't tried anything from this brand, so I'm curious to see how it does. Looks like it's a company that's based in New York. It's vegan as well. Here's the packaging. And let's go ahead and take a look. I have lip color on now, so I probably won't put it on, but I will swatch it for you if I can. So it is a little tube, so it's pretty small. The sizes of Ipsy products really are hit or miss. Sometimes you get full-size products, but usually you get kind of a sample-size version like this one, which isn't too bad for me, at least, because like a lot of you, I'm sure, I have a ton of lip products, and I never go through them really, so I don't mind getting smaller versions just because I don't really want to waste a larger version, to be honest. And it's nice to always try something new. So this way you can do that. So I'm just unwrapping the packaging there, and let's see what it looks like. So the applicator tip is a typical kind of lip gloss look or lip balm look. And let's try to swatch it a little. Oh, it's a beautiful color. So it looks really dark when you first put it out there, but if you swatch it a little bit, and this is a very messy swatch, but you can see there, it's really sheer. I think it has even a raspberry scent, actually. I don't think I'm imagining things. I think it does smell like raspberry. So really pretty wash of color. I think it's going to be really hydrating as well. So I'm excited to give this a try, especially going into the cooler months as we head into now. So that's the first really cute lip balm gloss. All right, let's see what's next. It is this olive oil face mask. It's Aphrodite olive oil cleansing face mask. I need to be better about face masks. I have purchased quite a bit of them, as you'll see in my previous skincare videos, just because I like to collect them and like the idea of them. But in terms of being practical, it's not so much for me, just because my eating routine is pretty rushed, just for time's sakes. So it's hard for me to find some dedicated time, but I'm gonna try to do it maybe once a week. Just make sure that I spend some time on myself and do a mask every week, I think will be my goal. If not now, at least after the holidays for the new year. So this mask, it looks like you just apply it over clean skin, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. So I bet it's sealed, but let's see. Yeah, it's sealed. So I won't undo this because it's sealed here, but you can see here, it's just a typical deep cleansing face mask with olive oil. I generally like olive oil beauty products, so I'm going to give this a try. All right, up next, let's see what this is. Says, oh, another lip product. I'm not angry about that. I love lip products, and these cute little ones. So this is Context Skin matte lipstick. It's called Sweet Emotion is the color. And like most lip products, it's a good for you type of product. And it's essentially kind of a balm slash lipstick. And then, yeah, it's full coverage. So actually, I take that back. It's probably just a true lipstick. Here's the packaging. I love the packaging. Very simplistic. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know anything about this brand. Let me know down below if you guys have heard about this Context lipsticks. But this is an example of a really good size product. Like I mentioned earlier, some products are small, some products are a little bigger. Look at the nice packaging, very clean lines. Ooh, that's a nice color. It's kind of a brownish nude, I'd say. I'm gonna see that there. Let me swatch it next to the lip gloss for you. It goes on very smoothly, I'll say. This is going to be perfect for fall and winter, I think. So there's the swatch of the lipstick. So really beautiful. I love these kind of tones, these kind of brownie nudes, I think work well for me. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. I'm going to add this to my collection of lippies. The next item is from the Betty Boop Ipsy collab. That this bag is all about. So it's a Betty Boop Ipsy. It's the Be Cheeky Powder Blush. The color is All Dolled Up. Yeah, so let's see how it looks. It looks like it's just a pan of blush. Let's check it out. Here's the cute packaging with Betty Boop on there. The Ipsy collab with some foiling. Really cute. It's fun how Ipsy collaborates with different groups every month. And this is a pretty good size blush, and I never go through blushes entirely either. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at this packaging. It's a foiled heart, which is so cute. And let's see what the color looks like. Well, that's pretty. It's kind of a little bit of a sheen, I think, on there. A little bit of a kind of rosy pink, I'd say. Maybe little peach undertones. That looks really pretty. And let's see how it feels swatched. So I'll swatch a little bit here. It feels pretty smooth, probably not the smoothest of all my blushes, but it could be nice. It comes across as kind of a metallic rose gold, I think, on the skin. That's going to be pretty, especially for holiday, I think. But I just can't get over the packaging. Can you imagine pulling this out of your makeup bag? It's just super cute. So here's the swatch. You can see there, really, really pretty. Kind of matches the other lip products I have here, but this is a little wash of kind of a rose gold type of colorway here on the skin. So if you can see that there, really, really beautiful. It's going to be perfect going into the next few months. And then I just have one final product. These bags go so quickly, but it's actually the one just by random that I decided to add to my bag. Unfortunately, the box is a little busted, but I think the product is still good. but of course it's the famous It Cosmetics CC Cream. I've talked about this product in multiple videos before, including a Get Ready With Me video as well, and I love It Cosmetic products. They do good for you, they do good for other people in terms of charity work as well, so I'm very, very excited about this product. So of course I had to pick this as my one product that I decided to add to my bag that I knew about. So it is in the color medium, which is the color I tend to use, and it's their just regular CC cream, and it's SPF 50, which I love, and it can be your only step, it says. So I love extra products like this that I can keep in my makeup bag for touch-ups or for travel. It's a really little tube, but it's just amazing. I love this product. So I use this as my all-in-one product, especially when I'm on vacation and don't need a whole full face of makeup, or if I'm in a bind, I just kind of throw this on and there you go, your face is done up. You also have SPF 50, which is amazing. So if you haven't checked out the CC cream, I'd really, really suggest giving it a try. So I was happy that this was one of the options in the Ipsy bag. I just wish it was a little bit bigger next time, but this will last me quite a bit. So I'm excited about this one. Alright, so there you have it. Those are all my 5 products already. I'm happy about this bag. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the face mask. Like I said, I have all the intentions of using it, but I'm not sure if I'll get around to it. I absolutely will use the lip products. The blush I'll probably dabble into a little bit. It probably won't work through the whole thing as usual, but I'll give it a try. And of course, I am going to use my CC cream. So all in all, a really good month. I do like how we're able to customize at least one product in the bags now. That's kind of nice, at least. I do also love this cosmetic bag. I think it's a really cute change for Ipsy, especially with the beautiful sequins. So all in all, I think a good month. Let me know down below if you got anything fun in your Ipsy bag. Otherwise, please don't forget to check out my other videos linked down below and subscribe to my channel as well. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I will plan to see you again in my next video. Bye!